déjà vu. You're my obsession.
Oh, my déjà vu. Everything is up to you. If you do want me, you know where to search. We've got the magic back again. My déjà vu. Everything is up to you. If you do want me, you know where to search. I wanna see you dancing naked. I wanna see you touch the moon. But when I try to reach your fingers, you just vanish to air. I wanna feel you with my senses, 'cause I'm almost sure the texture of your skin is gonna tell me who you are. My déjà vu, you're my obsession. My déjà vu is always you. My déjà vu, everything is up to you. If you do want me, you know where to search. We've got the magic back again. My déjà vu, everything is up to you. If you do want me, you know where to search. I wanna hold you like I used to. I wanna feel you in my blood. I wonder why I do confess this to myself all the time. I know the time is working against us, but I long for you the rest of my whole life. Like a prisoner of home, my déjà vu. You're my obsession. My déjà vu is always you. I have tried to get to know you, to get you off my mind. It feels like going back in time and snap, I see your figure once again. My déjà vu, everything is up to you. My déjà vu, you're my obsession. My déjà vu, it's always you. My déjà vu, you're my obsession. My déjà vu, you're my obsession. You're my obsession.
Many nights I sit here with memories by the score, thinking of the days I spent with the girl I still adore. So I'm going back to see her before my days are done. Going back to see her in the land of the sea and sun.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow. Hey.
Once I had a notion about this Nassau girl. I put my thoughts in motion